Okay. Now we are going to start with the class right now, okay? So, Jairo, are you ready to pass?
Yes, teacher.
Jairo, ¿está
Yes,
listo?
yes, yes.
Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's start. Let's see who will pass first.
Okay.
Great. So, okay, here is missing Aaron. Okay. Patty is already there. Mm-hmm. And the other one, pues, que se reincorpora. Okay. By the way, Sophie is not here. Okay, so let's start. Okay. Okay, Patty,
Hello,
are
hi.
you ready?
um, yes, I think. Hello, good morning,
Hi,
everyone.
Patty.
I'm going to talk about how to make chicken pupusas.
I can't listen to you.
Uh,
Okay,
okay,
Jairo. After Patricia, okay?
okay.
Patty.
Hola, no me oyen todavía. Hola.
Patty, hello, can you hear me? Okay. Los demás tienen problemas de audio, chicos, ¿o no?
No, teacher, nosotros sí la escuchamos, no sé si usted no nos escucha a nosotros. Yo creo que ella no nos escucha.
Ok, soy yo la que no los escucho entonces. No, it's okay. I guess I have some problems here. And I think I have some problems listening to you. Wait. Mm, okay. Hello? Wait. Can you tell something just for me to
Hi,
test?
teacher.
Okay. Okay, I see. Patty?
Hello.
Okay.
Hoy sí.
Yes. I had some problems. Okay. So, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so guys, remember, camera on, right?
Oh,
Okay. Hello.
hello. Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Today I'm
Uh,
going to talk about the how to make pupusas, oh, chicken pupusas. Sorry. And for the ingredients, we need two chicken, um, two tomatoes, and a half of onion, garlic, cilantro, margarine, and salt or cubito. This depends your taste.
okay.
First, we need to we need to use in special the bracelet of chicken, right? First, we need to wash the chicken with lemon and salt and a lot of water. And after that, we have to cut the chicken in a little pieces. Uh, after to wash, sorry, and we have to put water to boil. And when the water is boiling, we have to add the chicken with a garlic and salt or cubitos. When the chicken is boiling, we have to cut in a little pieces the tomato, the onion, the garlic, and add the margarine. And we need to wait for between 30 minutes or 15 minutes uh, since the chicken is ready. Meanwhile, as the chicken is cooked, we need to prepare the dough for our pupusas, and we need to use 1 cup of water with 1 cup of flavor and meat until the dough is soft to the end. We have to mix chicken with cheese, and we are ready for to make pupusas. And my grandmother taught me how to make pupusas, and she say me that we have to do the tortilla, and before put in the middle of the tortilla the mix, in this case chicken with cheese, and close and do that. I don't know how to flat the tortilla, and that's it.
Okay. So could you bring us some pupusas that you made for us the next time you come here to CDS?
Yes, maybe. I don't know. I have to to buy a lot of ingredients, but it's possible.
So David says that if you could bring him three pupusas.
Gee, oh my God! Just así, little pupusas.
Okay, just small pupusas. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so what's your favorite pupusa
Revueltas and the chicken.
and
I
chicken?
like that. Yes,
Can you make pupusas?
yes. My grandmother taught me last year because she told me that no matter that I'm studying or I'm be a professional in the future, I know to do tortillas and pupusas. Cause maybe
Okay.
I travel one day and I have to eat that, and I can because I thought I can do it or I couldn't do it.
Okay, okay, good. Do you like your pupusas?
Yes, it's funny. I like it. It's saying
Okay,
yeah.
okay, very good. So applause to her. Yes, right. Very good. Good job. Just we have to not to memorize. I mean, just to try to explain better each step, okay?
Okay,
Each
teacher.
step. For example, you can say, okay, first of all, the ingredients. The ingredients are this, this, and this. Besides that, the step number one is to prepare the chicken. You have to boil the chicken with something else, right? Okay. So, but it's okay. It's okay. I understood everything. Okay.
All right.
Good.
Thank you,
I would like
teacher.
to. I would like to make pupusas. I can't, but I would like. Okay.
It's
But
easy,
anyway.
I think. I learned
Yeah,
fast.
yeah. It's easy for you because you are how can I say this? You are a right-hander, handwriter. And in my case, I am a left-hand writer.
Ah,
And for me it's difficult. It's difficult because if my grandma teaches me how to make a tortilla, she does that part in different way that I am used to, right? Why? Because she is a right hand writer, and in my case it's different because I am the opposite.
all right. That,
I write with the left, not with the right. That's why. That's why some things are difficult to me. Exactly. Okay, good. Good job, Patty. Great.
oh,
Okay. Next one, Jairo, I think you wanna pass, right?
Yes.
Okay, so Jairo, you're going to talk about, okay, so you are going to explain the first essay, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay, very good. So, please, can you, okay, thank you. Very good.
Okay. In this moment, uh, good morning, everyone. In this moment, I try to explain my homework. Uh, my summary. Main topic is wars are dangerous for the world. It's very strange this topic, but for me it's great talk about that. And we know the world always using weapon. The weapon used in the war cause massive destruction.
The weapons.
The weapons, okay, weapons, but it's very dangerous. All people disappear during wars. Is really that. Example in this country, the civil wars disappear a lot of people, like a child, a woman. I don't know. Also, the cities are destroyed um, because it's a destruction. Uh, for me, the worst event was Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Uh, the culture, city, and infrastructure are damaged, like shore, school, uh, museum, library. The second World War in Europe, serving people, but left powerless. Uh, uh, because the most people are lost a house, his hair, something I do not. For that reason is exists poor. I do not in that word. Entonces, also the wars cause pollution. Also, is other cause of war. Uh, are dangerous because uh, the chemical compounds are toxic for the people in nature. The gas are dangerous because uh, appear a lot of disease like cancer or similar. Uh, it's probably affect the nature because that toxic gas disappear in years, causing a lot of danger, like change weather, because it's a big problem in this moment. And all wars have negative consequences, obviously, but the people in affect nature, human development. That's it.
Jairo, tell us, are you agree or disagree with worms?
No, disagreed because it's bad.
Why?
But it's sad and is it's bad. It's sad.
Yeah, but why?
Because died a lot of people. Also affect economic in our system. Also mm, destroy our environment.
Okay, okay. Good job, Jairo. Just remember to give your point of view. That's why I am asking you.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Okay.
and that is the point of the first essay. Okay, to give your point of view about any topic. Okay. For
Okay.
example, in your case, if you talks about words, so remember you have to give your point of view. Okay, you investigated. Okay, it's okay. But besides that, that topic, you need to have your point of view. If you are if you are against or if you are agree with.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, now you or you. Uh huh. You or you. Who wants to pass? You want to pass? Are you going to use this? Okay. Okay, good. So we're going to listen to Mr. David because he's going to explain us how to what? Uh-huh. Okay, how to solve the Pythagoras theorem. You told me that, right? Ah, okay. Hello. Go ahead. No, he's my friend. Ah, and so yeah, they are going to see you. Just wait a moment. Of course. How are you? This is mine. This is mine, and those are yours if you want. Okay, wait a moment. Oh, yes. Okay, there it is, I guess. Right? Right. Okay, very good. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Yeah, sorry, but I forgot my another tripod. That's fine. This and this. What's this and this? Okay. This one.
Why is a triangle? Because one of the sides had 90 degrees of grades, but that's why this is a triangle.
Okay.
Another example could be this. This is a right triangle, but the same.
Okay.
And also how you can solve it for starting, you can make the correct math formula. The formula is yeah, is the formula. Could be some variation because some people put the letter H or another letter, but this is it doesn't matter. You can use this for finding some unknown. For example, if we had this triangle that, for example, 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters, and this we don't know. So we can find this value calculating this and this. So we can do this? Yes, it's easy. Just change the values, letter A is this and letter B is this, or you can be A or B, doesn't matter the order.
Which is legacy?
Letter C is always the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse because this is the longer side, and these are the legs. This is the opposite legs, and this is the adjacent legs. Adjacent. But the opposite and the adjacent now it doesn't matter because it's for another topic. Yeah, so also we change the value. This is A and this is B.
Correct? Uh-huh.
And just now we to the operation. This is a power. A power is like this. If we had this operation, we're going to multiply.
Can you speak louder and
Louder.
slower, please?
This is a power. What is a power? Is an operation that you have to multiply the same number is
This time.
these times. For example, the number is 2, you're going to multiply twice. But if the number is 3, it's 3 times. That's 3 times.
If I have 5,
Yeah, 5 times.
so I mean that I have to make the operation 6 for 6.
And no, in this case, no, because
6 multiply 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 multiply 6.
yeah.
Okay.
But in this case, no, because the operation is just for 2.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why we're going to multiply 6 for 6 and all of this. 6. So we're going to put the result.
Louder.
Okay.
Louder. 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 What is louder?
Más alto,
Thank you.
más
Yeah, that's right.
Of course.
And also the same. Okay, today the result is, I remember that is 64 and forgot it.
I don't remember.
I
I know how to do that, but I don't remember
This is a
the
multiplication.
result. Yeah, but I don't remember the result.
I
I know
just
how
put-
to do that, but
And just put the result, and now we're going to plot this. 66 plus 64 is already 100. And I had to get along this letter because just I had the letter, not this number. So I had to do an operation that is called clearing. Clear, it doesn't matter again. A clear is past the pasar,
fast.
to pass this number doing the opposite operation. For example, if is uh, add, you can create this making a subtraction. And in this case, that the opposite
So in
of
this case, you have to change the, you have to play with the signs.
no, in this case, no, because of the same as in positive, positive plus positive, positive. And we're going to pass the opposite, and the opposite of the power is the root square. The root square is this.
Okay.
And just this is the operation, and the root square of the concomitant is always 10. And we
Okay.
can, oh my God, got it. And you can control this idea.
I don't know where the recipe is. Okay, so it means that the hypotenuse is 10.
Got it. It-
Mhm.
And the theorem says that the hypotenuse is equal the sum of the two sides. Yeah. And now we're going to control.
Prove.
We're going to prove this theorem. So
Mhm.
we're going to change the value again. Okay. This is for the value of the hypotenuse.
Okay.
And this is for the other side. And we're going to multiply this twice.
Twice.
10 por 10,
I don't know.
one number.
No, it works like I don't know.
And 100 is like that. Again, teacher. And 6 is
12. No.
6 multiplied 12.
Okay.
And the result is,
36.
and is the same.
16.
The same operation.
Okay.
64. And we can prove that because the result is the same. Also, 36 plus 64 is 100, and the values multiplied twice is 100. The theorem is correct. And another example, if you can find, I'm going to do it like that. You can find another leg. You have the value of the hypothesis. Yeah. For example, the value is
5.
root square of 5.
Okay.
And you can find that.
Okay.
And also the side is 3.
Okay.
So we're going to change the value. And now we're going to clear this. And this is add, we're going to pass doing the opposite. The opposite of add is a subtraction.
Okay.
And it is. But there is a problem because this is our opposite. And they can be played with that. Just I have to delete this and this because they are opposite. So I have this. And now I'm going to clear.
That is number 3.
No, number 2.
No,
And
no,
this.
no. That one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to clear this power. I'm going to go doing the opposite. And
No,
Yeah. The subtraction is by the,
it's 10. Oh, no, it's 8, right?
no, it's a subtraction because
Ah, it's 2.
2 and the result. And you can use this operation for a lot of things. For example, you can build a room or you can build a house. Also, police use the viewing for and tracing because with that they can investigate the trajectory of a bullet. And also the geology, the scientists can investigate what what the earthquake started.
Okay.
And that's it.
Okay, good. Applause to him. Yes, of course. Okay, so what is difficult to me is to find that part.
What part?
The last part that you were explaining.
What part?
The result.
The result.
No, I mean for me,
Yeah, why?
because I had some problems with
I'm going to
that.
explain.
Okay, why did you eliminate 2 and 2?
Because they are opposite.
Why they are opposite?
Because the opposite of the power is root 1.
I don't know.
Yeah, the opposite. What is the opposite of the add?
Minus.
That's right.
Yes.
Yeah. And in that form, we can play with the signs, for example, mass.
Minus for okay. So
Yeah,
yeah,
minus.
in that
Yeah,
case we have
yeah.
2. Mhm.
We had to say this.
But listen, why this one is positive.
Because it's positive.
No, I mean it's positive. 5 and this one 3, 2. Why did you eliminate this part?
So they are opposite.
Why do you think it's opposite?
Because you can search. Yeah, they are the root.
Because here you have the cross.
In the school and in the other side.
Another
When
side.
you are in the school, the math teacher, they teach that the opposite of
I know.
is
Yeah, but how do you know? How do you identify that these are in that way?
because the formula is this, and the exercise is this. So I had to put the value, I had to change the value, but I had to put this in the same one.
Yeah, and that I understand that.
Yeah.
But why you say that 5 with that part is opposite with 3?
Because it's opposite teacher.
You know my idea, you got my idea.
Huh?
When you put the number 3,
Yeah?
you number 3, when you pass it to the other way, it's never, right?
Yeah, it's like a
Okay, no, wait.
But this is another thing.
I mean, we have to find A.
Yeah,
That is this.
yeah.
Okay, that's why you pass this part for this. I
Yeah,
guess.
because it's a subtraction.
Yeah, but you
This-
didn't explain that. That's
It's
why I
a,
was
sub-
asking.
yeah, it's a subtraction, let's say. The number is not in negative.
I got your idea. Now I got your idea. I got your point of view. That's why you pass 3 to the left
Yeah.
and 8 to the right. That's why. Okay.
Yeah.
That's why I couldn't understand.
Yeah.
Yes, I got you. Continue.
Well, so when you have all that part, when you put it in the other way, it's never part.
What?
When you put the number 3 the other way, pass the positive to be negative, right?
No, because this is an add is going to pass and be a subtraction.
Okay, it's negative in the other part, it's negative.
Yeah.
But when you, cuando quito la raíz cuadrada y la potencia, el 3 pasa a ser negativo también.
No puedo.
No,
No
just
pueden-
to change the sign.
Y aparte no pueden haber raíces cuadradas negativas. Eso no
Exactly.
existe.
Exactly.
Esto no es negativo. Esta es
No,
una
it
línea que yo
means,
hice.
okay, and it means that. Listen. Okay, listen. No, listen. That's the point. That's why I got confused. Okay.
Su guión parecía un signo menos.
Ah,
No,
es una línea que yo
I
hice.
got confused because he was saying that he wanted to know what is A, right? Right? Okay, so in this case, this one and this one, right?
Yeah.
So you write here
De hipotenusa.
8 plus this part.
What are you doing?
Is not this one?
No, it's
It's A plus this one. Sorry, this one. That one?
no.
No, I don't know.
You can be a subtraction of this. This.
Okay.
This is means and put the other because they not.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you
It's
can.
going to teach me. It's going to teach.
Yeah. But you have to put the forward. This. And also you can eliminate this because they opposite and they can be together.
Yeah.
And this.
But where is A?
Huh?
Where is A?
What is A? What?
Where is A in this formula?
A is this. You can put this or this. It doesn't matter at the side. And you put this and you delete this and just had 5 means 3. And what is the result?
I don't know.
5 minus 3 teacher.
2?
Yeah. 5 minus 3 is 2. The result. Yeah. No, because they delete that.
Okay. Okay. Good. Now you see? Okay, so guys, that's why I needed to manage your topic, okay?
Lo manejé.
Of course, that's why I'm asking you.
Teacher, I gotta go.
Yeah, you have to go. Can you please take that box to Washington because your friend is going to use it today.
Teacher.
Yes. Okay, good.
Bye, guys.
Now let's continue. Who wants to pass? Select someone.
Me.
Select someone. No, select someone of
Yeah, that's
them.
why I'm going to see you.
See them.
Yeah. Nada, dale.
Ok, guys, la gente que está conectada ahorita, el ejercicio lo vamos a hacer el día de mañana porque van a pasar los que están ahorita aquí, ¿ok? Ajá.
Okay, good morning, classmates.
Okay.
I'm going to show you how to prepare caramel apples.
What?
Caramel apples.
Caramel apples, David.
Yeah, I got that question.
Now you are the teacher.
What happened, teacher?
Yeah.
In adult studies, the caramel apples are one that we can find, and also they are my favorite dessert. But they are not popular like in fries, broad,
Or tostadas, like this one.
Can I go to you?
yeah. They are favorite because they are sweet, but not too sweet. And you can decorate with whatever you want. And there are different types of caramel apples. It is candy apples and caramel apples and chocolate apples. But my favorites are the caramel because they are easier to prepare, and you can color it with milk chocolate, with fresh Oreos, with nuts, with uh, candy bars, pancakes, or sugar and cinnamon. The ingredients that you can, the ingredients that I use when I prepare caramel apples are white apples because in my house are people,
Okay.
and 25 caramel candies, the little ones, two Oreos cookies, and some nuts. And first, I wash and dry the apples, and I insert a wooden stick in the apple and put it in the fridge for 15 minutes or an hour. Then I prepare the caramel in a glass, bowl of glass. I put all the caramel candies and I put them in the microwave for 2 or 2.5 minutes. Before, no, after,
After?
yes, after I I take out the apples of the fridge and I cover them with the caramel. And it's important don't let it dry the caramel because it doesn't work with the other covers. Then when I covering the apples, I brush the Oreos and I spin them. And when I finish all the apples, I put them in the fridge for an hour. And you can put the apples for 2 days, almost 2 days. But when you're going to serve, you have to take out take out the apple 15 minutes after serving. And caramel apples are good to celebrate for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Halloween, or Christmas. It depends on your age.
For birthday too.
Yes, you can do it for birthday. It's not necessary to cover all the apples. You can put the apples in your freezer for the children and cover it with a little like, you know, cranberries. And they are more healthy way to give some dessert for the kids than only chocolate or another or chocolate candy or chocolate bar.
Okay. Okay, question. Can I do just the half apple?
Yes, you can put it in your
Mm-hmm.
and
The apple is not going to.
the taste is not going to change.
Ah, okay.
Apple will be the same.
Okay, okay.
You can also put it another sweets and important for what is eaten, the delicious taste in the caramel and the other ingredients.
So you mentioned that you used caramel.
Yes.
What happened if I used atado? Atado. Do you know what atado means?
Yes. You can use it, but as I told you, you don't have to let them dry. So you can cover it.
Ah, okay, okay, good. So guys, do you like caramel apples? I don't. I mean, I like apples, but I don't like caramel apples because they are too sweet. I don't eat too sweet things such as cake. Exactly. That's why. That's why I don't eat too much sweet things, right? Okay, good. Now, applause to her. Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Are you going to bring us some caramel apples to us? Yes? Okay, on Christmas. Okay, select the next one. Adam. You are the next one.
You want the food now?
Ah,
Anybody have food?
with me. Okay. Are you going to pass? Ah? Okay, Adrian. Let's go ahead, mister. So, Adrian is going to talk about how to make pancakes. Delicious.
And if he doesn't have the cake,
He's going to bring us on Friday. No, better on Monday. Okay? Better on Monday. Right? On Monday, right? Of course, I am. Okay, no. No, I'm kidding. Don't do that. Okay, are you ready? Kind of. Try to do it. You can do it. Okay? Go ahead.
Hello everybody, today I'm gonna talk about how to make a cake, and it's a delicious breakfast.
Okay, go ahead.
You can add honey or toppings with them, and also you can have them with bacon.
Bacon. Really?
Yes, my sister eat them with that,
Ah, okay.
and it's easy to make. And the history is in 4 or 5 AD, a church survived eating meat, so the people started making a pasta with water and with flour. But some years later, the church allowed eating eggs and milk, which were added to the pasta. And that's what we know as pancake. Currently, there are a lot of marks, but some are more delicious because they are juicier or softer. But it also depends on how you prepare them. The steps to prepare them are: first, you need a plate, a little deep. Then you have to roll an egg. After that, you have to add the flour of the pancake. The amount, it depends on how you want to make, how many you want to make. Then you can add milk or water and mix. But the amount of milk or water has to be less than the amount of flour. Then you have to put a casserole to heat and put a little of margarine. And when the margarine melts, you can add it to the mixture and mix again. After that, you have to put the mixture in the casserole and
Or in the
then
pan. You can say pan.
in the pan. And then you have to wait some minutes. And when you see that the mixture has bubbles from the top, you can turn it over. And that's it. You have to wait like 10 or 8 minutes for it to be ready.
Okay. Easy, right? Can you make pancakes? You? You? And me? Of course. That I can do that. Okay. So what do you prefer? Mixing water or
I
milk?
always do it with water.
You do it with water. In my case, most of the time I do it with water because you know that milk is expensive. Okay, and so I sometimes drink milk. Okay, and you eat those pancakes with bacon.
No.
No, without bacon, just your sister. Ah, okay. And do you add jam también?
Oh, yes, always.
Ah, okay. Because in my case, just I eat it alone.
With money.
Yeah, I don't add honey because I don't like. It's too sweet. Ah, okay, good. I like it.
Yeah, chili peppers.
I like chili pepper, but I don't. I am not used to eat chili pepper a lot. Uh huh. Okay. Very good. So, tenía una corrección para usted, but I forgot it. Okay. But it's about comparative. Is healthier, no, more healthy. I mean, we can say both, but the best way to say that is healthier. Healthier. Okay. Now, I want to hear how to make pupusas. So we're waiting for it. So at least, guys, let me see. Okay. Okay. Good. Pau, Rosie, Walter, Sophie, Daniel, Ceci, and Anderson are going to pass tomorrow. Okay. So be ready, please.
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Go ahead. Yes.
Well, good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to talk about how to make pupusas. Nowadays, we have a lot of typical foods in many countries around the world. In El Salvador, we have many typical food too, but the principal is the pupusa. This dish was around in the pre-Columbian times, but the origin, exactly the origin, is not. We don't know what is the origin exactly of this kind of dish, like some others around the world. You can make it. You can make pupusas can be made of many forms, many types of forms. But the principles are doubt can be corn or rice without or the pupusa. The other is the refried beans. We have also cheese and pork rind. That is how can be made a classic pupusa. But if you want to taste something different, we have some other ingredients like York flour, jam, greens, mushrooms, also fish, and garlic and some others. Is a very diverse. It's a really diverse dish, and all of that complemented with tomato sauce and thyme. How to prepare? I am going to tell you how to prepare it. First, you have to prepare the dough. You have to take the flour, and can be rice or corn, and water. You have to use both. At the end of the dough, can doesn't have to be too watery or too hard. So have to be balanced. Then you have to take a portion of that and start and make a flat circle. After that, you can put for example, the beans into and start. You can use a little bit of oil on your hand to make the dots. After that, to put the beans into the flat circle, you can close and shut by pressing with your hands. And at the end of that, you have to put it on a hot comal, and you have to leave it there around, I don't know, 3 minutes, around 3 minutes to 2.5. And you have to put it on the each side until golden brown. And at the end of all the process, you are going to have a delicious, typical food of El Salvador.
Okay.
What do you prefer, corn or rice?
Both. For me, both. I don't have, in that way, I don't have a problem. But I can tell you that my favorite is beef, which is
Okay. Do you add chili to the sauce, to the tomato sauce? Because some people do that.
Yes, but a little bit. I don't like picante.
Spicy,
I don't like spicy food at all. So it can be chili, but just a little bit.
just a little bit. Ah, okay.
To be a little bit yummy, but no spice.
Okay. What do you think about people that eat pupusas with black sauce?
That is criminal. That is criminal.
No, I don't know, because we are used to eat pupusas with tomato sauce and with cabbage.
but the
But
rule is
people
like-
that lives in the north, I think, exactly like San Miguel or Usulután, I guess, they are used to eat pupusas with a black sauce.
Well, being honest, I can tell you it is bad or good because I haven't tasted it.
Exactly, right?
That is something that I am not curious to prove.
Okay, very good, yes, guys. Okay, thank you so much. An applause to him. Very good. Okay, good job, guys. I really like, especially yours, because I complain a lot with you. Okay. Try not to feel nervous. Okay, so you have to improve that. Okay, and also thank you, because you did a good job today. Okay, so guys, people that is connected right now, tomorrow we're going to continue with the essays, with the speeches. Okay, I know that I take a lot of time because right now it's 9:04, and I know that some of you have computer classes, right? So guys, thank you so much for coming, and let's see you tomorrow. Remember that you have to activate the camera, okay?
Okay, teacher, bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Bye,
bye-bye.
teacher.
Escuchar comida aquí en medio.